That's wicked. Hey guys, welcome back. So the new project's arrived. Let's go take a look. Mini. So it's a 2014 Countryman Cooper SD 2 litre 6-speed diesel. It's done 39,000 miles. It's a Cat S recorded write-off. As you can see, it's had a decent impact on the front. Not hugely tragic, but enough to bend everything out of shape. The bonnet, decent crease here, nice dent, and it's had a bit of a twang on the front here as well. And it's actually, you can see here, it's actually twisted the bonnet out of shape. So, and I don't think there's much access inside. I think it's double skinned. Let's have a look. Right, there we go. Yeah, it's all double skinned. So if you have a look at that, might be able to get some access through here, but looking at where the damage is, it's going to be difficult. To be honest, given the cost of a bonnet, I think we'll just replace that. The grill's obviously all loose. The bumper needs taken off, so I can see the extent of the damage down there. I've run it up to temperature and I can't see any leaks on any of the cooling system. It's hard to get in and see down there, but it all looks pretty straight. I mean, the top bumper support there has not been impacted at all. All the rads look pretty straight and watertight. The headlight has had a good twang here, and that snapped the headlight bracket off. But we can get a replacement one of them, and they just a D's on. All in all, I think it just needs a good clean. We need to check the oil levels, check the coolant. Although the coolant's looking pretty good. Both lights work. The sad thing is, if we look in the inside, both the driver's airbag and the passenger airbag has been deployed, so that's going to be a replacement dash, replacement airbag module for the wheel. Let's check the seat belts. Seat belts are not locked out, that's good. All neat in the back here. Part leather, part cloth. It's really tidy actually. I think it's been well looked after when it was a non-salvage vehicle. Checking out the boot, look at that, looks like it's never had anything in it. That's all neat, looks like somebody's fixed a dash cam or something here in the past. We'll sort that out. Right, going round, let's have a look in the other rear side. I'll say all the doors look straight, all the seams line up nicely, all the door shuts. Again, immaculate. So, no, seat belts haven't locked out, they're all good. So, the damage looks like it's going to be a new dashboard, new steering wheel module, and new ECU for the airbags, the SRS controller, which I believe is down there, so we'll whip that out and have a look. We've also got the lights around, which is cool. And we've got a copy of the previous MOT. So that's all passed, no advisories, so pretty clean. It's all good. Dive in and check the oil. So as we can see there, the oil is just below minimum, so we need to get some oil and top that up. So let's get the oil topped up so we can run it up and check everything's fine. My pouring skills are terrible, so funnel all the way. That's we'll have a right mess on our hands. This is just some I had kicking around the workshop. Just for now. I've got to do a full oil change and service on it anyway. So I'm not going to waste good high quality oil, so I'm just going to check this oil level again. Give this coolant a quick check. So that looks okay. No, there's no oil in that, that's good. So I've also just noticed that somebody's put a nice hockey repair on the air intake into the airbox, so we need to sort that out, put no air intake pipe on it, or we've got it all apart. Other than that, the engine looks pretty smart. It's not been, so the key thing for these are obviously to make sure that the engine mounts are all intact, not fractured, not damaged, and the engine hasn't been shoved back because there's a lot of air conditioning pipes and all the exhaust to the turbo, the exhaust and everything sat down the back of the engine down there. So I'll make sure there's no damage to that. And the other engine mount is intact down there as well. All in all, I'm really pleased with how that's come out, because it's a problem with buying salvage vehicles. You never know what they're actually going to be like until you get them and you've got your hands on them and you manage to eyeball them. So I spent a bit of time, I've hammered out the front of the bonnet there because the bonnet catch wasn't releasing properly. It was bent in, so there wasn't enough for the bonnet catch to lift up. I've hammered out as much as I can of some of the high points in the bonnet. Still can't get that to sit down properly. I've tried jumping on it, I've tried everything. But I've ordered a new bonnet, so that's on its way. I've ordered a new bumper, that's also on its way. You can see that's almost right there, but that needs bringing in. Until I've got the new bumper on, I can't really see any reference points anyway for how much I need to manipulate the bonnet, so a bit of a catch-22 really. But let's show you the bonnet catch. Release. So yeah, I've hammered out this part here so that the bonnet catch will actually work properly. So if I lift that up now and just flick the catch, that opens up nicely. And what I've had to do is hammer all this out here because this was bent right in and it was affecting the return of that. So let's sort that out. Perfect. So yeah, I've popped the grill off earlier and had a look in the radiators, are absolutely fine. Nothing wrong with them whatsoever. So as I say, we need to get hold of a set of brackets for this light. There's a brake on that one there. That one there is also snapped. That one's okay. And so is that one. That one's intact down there. We have a look at the other light. That one's okay, that one's okay, that one's okay, and that one's solid there. So, yeah, I've also got that chrome bit for the other light in the boots. We need to stick that bit on as well. So once the bonnet gets here, once the bumper gets here, and I've also ordered the airbag kit for the inside as well. I've ordered the the replacement dash, the top part of the dash that's got the passenger airbag built into it, and I've also ordered the airbag for the steering wheel. I've ordered a crash module that's got no crash data on it. What we'll then do is send this crash module off, get it cleared, and then sell that one off. I've ordered the seatbelt tensioners because apparently I've been told by somebody that restores these quite often that if the airbags have gone off, you'd be amazed if the tensioners haven't fired and shortened. So we've got them on the way. What else have we got? So the seat airbags are fine, the curtain airbags are fine. Yeah, so we'll work on getting this dash out in the next episode and get this out in readiness. We'll get the crash module out and rip the seat belts out, ready to change them over. Brings us around to what we've spent. So what we spent for the car and the bits we've had to order. So the car itself was £3,995 from the salvage dealer. The delivery for the car cost me £130. So we've also ordered, I'll pop it up on the screen with the values, the front bumper, the bonnet, the complete airbag kit for the interior. So I had to order new number plates, and I've also had to fill in a V62 for the vehicle V5, because obviously being a salvage vehicle, the insurance company destroyed the V5. So the insurance and some online valuations value the car around about the £10,000 mark if it wasn't a Cat S. So we allow around about 20% for the Cat S. It takes down about £8,000 value. Next time, once we've had the parts delivered, and we'll be sorting out the inside and the bumper and the bonnet.